Hello friends, welcome back to a new video on AB coins. The Elizabeth II $1 coin from 2015 and 2016 refers to the Canadian $1 coin, also known as the Loonie, which features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Here's a brief history and some geographical details about the coin and its minting. In 2015, the Royal Canadian Mint issued a special commemorative coin, the Elizabeth II $1 coin, which marks a significant part of Canadian history, geography, and the monarchy's legacy in Canada. Below is an 8-minute script that will cover its history, its role in Canada's currency system, its geographical significance, and some key facts about Queen Elizabeth II's reign in the country. Today, we're going to talk about the 2015 Elizabeth $1 coin, a special edition that holds great importance in Canadian history and coinage. This coin is not only a tribute to the reign of Queen Elizabeth II, but also an artifact that reflects Canada's deep connection with the British monarchy, its evolving currency system, and its geographical diversity. Let's dive into the history of this coin, its significance, and the story of its design and production. In 2015, Canada celebrated a significant year with a special edition coin, the Elizabeth II $1 coin. This coin was issued to commemorate the 63 years that Queen Elizabeth II had served as the reigning monarch of Canada, making her the longest-reigning monarch in Canadian history at that time. Queen Elizabeth II's reign began in 1952, following the death of her father, King George VI. By 2015, she had overseen a period of significant change in Canada, from its status as a British colony to a fully sovereign nation. The Elizabeth II $1 coin was not just any coin. It was a part of Canada's effort to acknowledge and celebrate the ongoing relationship between the British monarchy and the Canadian people. The coin's design reflects the intricate relationship between the monarch and the Canadian public. On the obverse, the coin features the iconic effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, which was created by the Canadian artist Susanna Blunt. Her effigy has been used on Canadian coinage since 2003, and it portrays the Queen in a more youthful and modern light, which is a departure from previous depictions that often made her look older. On the reverse, the coin often showcases important symbols of Canada. The 2015 edition, like others in the series, can feature various designs to highlight the country's natural heritage, landscapes, or cultural history. For example, one of the reverse designs shows a stylized Canadian Arctic scene, including an iconic polar bear. This represents Canada's geographical features and reflects its rich, northern wilderness. Canada's $1 coin, colloquially known as the Loonie, was introduced in 1987, replacing the $1 banknote. The Loonie was named after the loon, a bird commonly found in Canadian lakes, which is depicted on the reverse side of the coin. The Elizabeth II $1 coin is often part of a series that features different national symbols, and its significance goes beyond just currency. It acts as a reminder of Canada's British colonial past and its evolution into an independent country with a constitutional monarchy. The Royal Canadian Mint, responsible for the production of coins, has released many variations of the $1 coin, and in 2015, they marked the occasion of Queen Elizabeth II's long reign. This edition was not only about celebrating her reign, but also about enhancing national pride and recognizing the country's continuity with its British roots. Canada's geography plays a key role in the design and meaning of its coinage. From the expansive prairies of Saskatchewan to the icy wilderness of the Yukon, Canada's geographical diversity is celebrated through its national symbols. On the 2015 Elizabeth II $1 coin, the reverse often highlights the country's expansive nature. For example, the polar bear design found on many Canadian coins represents the Northern Territories, particularly the Arctic, which is one of the most iconic geographical features of Canada. In addition to the wildlife and landscapes featured on these coins, Canada's vast size and diverse ecosystems make it a unique part of the world, and these themes are regularly highlighted on its coins. With this particular coin, we see not just Queen Elizabeth II's likeness, but also a symbolic nod to Canada's natural beauty and its place in the Northern Hemisphere. Though Queen Elizabeth II was born in the United Kingdom, her influence on Canada's history and geography has been profound. As the Canadian head of state, she has represented continuity in a country that has gone through significant changes. Queen Elizabeth's presence has been a central figure in the evolving identity of Canada, especially post-Confederation. Her role in Canadian affairs has been primarily ceremonial, with executive powers largely held by Canadian officials. However, her reign has witnessed several key milestones in Canadian history, including the patriation of the Canadian Constitution in 1982, when the country formally gained full legislative independence from the British Parliament. Geographically, Canada's political borders, its ties to the British Commonwealth, and its status as a leading nation in the Arctic region have all been a part of the backdrop during her reign. Queen Elizabeth II has symbolized Canada's place within the Commonwealth, and her continued reign is seen as an emblem of unity and stability. The 2015 Elizabeth II $1 coin is more than just a functional piece of currency. It is also a highly sought-after collectible. For coin collectors and enthusiasts, special edition coins that commemorate the monarch are valuable, both for their historical significance and their design details. The Royal Canadian Mint produces coins like the Elizabeth II $1 coin in limited numbers, making them even more desirable among collectors. These coins are often made of special alloys and can feature high-quality minting processes to ensure their lasting value. Over time, coins like these become symbols of Canadian heritage, preserving the memory of important milestones in the nation's history. In particular, the 2015 $1 coin serves as a reminder of the ongoing relationship between the monarchy and Canada. Looking at the broader picture, Canadian currency has always had a strong connection to its colonial past. The British monarchy has played a central role in Canadian history, and its influence can still be seen in many of the country's traditions and symbols. The Elizabeth II $1 coin is a modern reflection of this influence. Canadian currency has undergone significant changes over the years, from the days of the beaver coins in the 1600s to the silver dollars of the 19th century. But throughout all these changes, the symbolic importance of the monarchy has remained an enduring feature of Canadian coinage. In recent years, there have been discussions about whether Canada should transition to a republic or continue as a constitutional monarchy. However, Queen Elizabeth II's legacy continues to be a defining factor in Canadian culture, geography, and national identity. 2015 Elizabeth II $1 coin is a meaningful piece of Canadian history that embodies the nation's connection to the British monarchy. It serves as a tribute to Queen Elizabeth II's remarkable reign, which spanned decades of Canadian growth and change. Whether in its design, the geographical themes it incorporates, or its role in Canada's monetary system, the coin symbolizes the ongoing relationship between Canada and the British monarchy. And for collectors, it represents a piece of Canada's rich heritage that continues to evolve today. The Elizabeth II $1 coin from 2016 is part of a series of coins minted by various countries that feature Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. The design and history of the coin can vary depending on the country in which it was minted, but here's a general outline for the 2016 coin featuring Elizabeth II, with information related to geography, mint history, and the script used. Year: 2016. Coin type: $1, various countries. Obverse design: a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, typically based on the effigy designed by Ian Rank Broadley. The portrait is often used across Commonwealth nations and other countries with ties to the British monarchy. Reverse design: this varies by country, but the reverse side may feature national symbols, landmarks, or themes reflective of the country's culture or history. Commonwealth nations and countries with Queen Elizabeth II as monarch. The Elizabeth II $1 coin is issued by countries where Queen Elizabeth II is the head of state, such as Canada, Australia, and some Caribbean nations, among others. Canada. The Royal Canadian Mint is responsible for issuing Canadian currency, including the $1 coin, often referred to as the Loonie. It is made of nickel-plated steel and typically features wildlife or national symbols on the reverse side. Australia. The Royal Australian Mint produces Australian coins, including their $1 coin. The 2016 Australian $1 coin was minted as part of various coin sets, some featuring unique designs tied to events like the 2016 Australian silver kangaroo coin. Caribbean and other countries. Several Caribbean nations and other countries use coins featuring Queen Elizabeth II. The designs of the $1 coins in these countries often incorporate national symbols, historical events, or wildlife. The script on the coin is typically quite standard, including obverse, Queen's portrait. The inscription usually includes Elizabeth II and the year of minting, 2016. In some cases, the script may also include DG Regina, which stands for Dei Gratia Regina, or By the Grace of God, Queen. Reverse design: the reverse may have the country's name, e.g., Canada, Australia, the denomination, $1, and possibly a specific motto or national emblem. Obverse: a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, with the inscription Elizabeth II and the year 2016. Reverse: the reverse features an image of a common loon, bird, with the word Canada and $1 inscribed. Obverse. A portrait of Queen Elizabeth II with the inscription, Elizabeth II and Australia and 2016. Reverse. This may feature the Australian wildlife, kangaroo, emu, etc., and the words $1. The coin is produced by various mints depending on the country. For example, Canada's Royal Canadian Mint, Australia's Royal Australian Mint, and others. They have minting facilities in different locations, including Ottawa, Canada, and Canberra, Australia. The mint mark indicates where the coin was produced. For instance, in Canada, the mint mark C may appear on coins produced in Ottawa, while in Australia, M may appear on coins produced in Melbourne. The 2016 Elizabeth II $1 coin is part of a long-standing series of coins issued by Commonwealth countries. The coin features Queen Elizabeth II's portrait and typically has a unique design for the reverse side, reflecting the issuing country's culture, wildlife, or significant symbols. Each coin also bears inscriptions in English, such as Elizabeth II and the year of minting. Let me know if you'd like more specific information about a particular country or variant of this coin.